Generative AI is changing the way we live and work. Companies are reshaping their business models to embrace the technology, and that includes the data center industry. Generative AI is poised to revolutionize the industries it serves, as well as the infrastructure that supports it. The first challenge is meeting the huge surge in power requirements. AI is a power-hungry beast, demanding substantial computing, network, and storage infrastructure, often referred to as high-performance computing, or HPC. It relies heavily on graphics processing units, or GPUs, which are energy guzzlers, consuming 10 to 15 times more energy than traditional CPUs. Satisfying the appetite for this power requires huge upgrades in data center infrastructure to meet market demand. Capacity and power are the biggest issues facing the data center industry today. Enterprises, AI startups, and cloud service providers are racing to secure data center capacity for their AI workloads, with hyperscale clouds leading the pack. And this is happening fast. The TD Cowen investment bank and analyst firm reported a tsunami of AI demand, with 2.1 gigawatts of data center leases signed in the US, that's a fifth of the current supply, in the second quarter of 2023. Co-location providers like Iron Mountain Data Centers are scaling up their power for new builds in anticipation of AI requirements, and they're implementing critical structural changes to meet this demand. These data centers feature high-density power supplies to servers that can provide 30 to 50 kilowatts per rack, as opposed to the traditional average of 5 kilowatts per rack. As we witness these waves of innovation, the climate crisis is deepening, and zero-emission targets are looming. But there's hope. The power demands of generative AI are driving innovation in microgrids and backup power. Renewables are key. Many in the data center industry have been working to green the grid to eliminate carbon emissions, but also slash water consumption and optimize power consumption for data center cooling. Some of the biggest players in the tech world, including Iron Mountain Data Centers, have committed to using 100% renewable power. Overcoming the challenges that AI brings is not easy, but with innovation and staying firm on climate commitments, it can be done. As the data center industry faces these challenges head-on, it has the potential to transform itself and offer solutions for other sectors too.